Greetings, Acolyte, Gash Pumpers, and Gimps alike. I'm the fucking High Priest General of the Death Unit, and this is the Corpse Commander, and this is the Corpse Commander's Cooking Corner. Oh, today we're making...
Grilled cheese. I don't know.
What?
Grilled cheese.
Yeah! Welcome back! They're tracking the vaccinated! Oh, you all know why you're here!
Their dads forgot to pull out.
Fucking right! Oh! Steps! Fucking steps!
Right.
List them! List them! List them!
Alright. We've got smoked Gouda.
Oh!
We got center cut bacon.
Fucking labia!
We got Jesus Christ. We've got salmon. It's Alaskan wild sockeye salmon.
I prefer fucking farm raised things. I like my things sad.
We got some fucking sourdough bread that we're gonna smother in butter and garlic.
Fuck Dracula right up the butt.
Italian seasoning.
Fucking Rome.
I'm gonna throw pepper on afterwards.
It got stuck.
What the? And that's it. First bacon, throw in the pan.
Get that sweet labia meat on there. Ooh, nothing like milfy, dilfy, fucking delicious meat. Oh yeah, yeah.
That. Once the bacon is done cooking, just throw it off to the side there. You're gonna want to use it later, but we also want to keep the bacon fat in there because it adds to the flavor. Once you're done cooking the bacon,
you don't deserve fucking happiness. You belong in the void with me and him cooking bacon for fucking ever. I bless you, sweet, juicy meats, blacker than the night, sweeter than the void.
Can I just need silence for half a second. Just half a second.
We are but the offspring of the devil and the pain.
He'll be out for a second. You're gonna want to put a Paula Deen-sized slab of butter on your toast.
I spy with my little eye an asshole that smells of pesto on my tongue from their bum because pesto is the besto.
I can feel your half chub on my leg.
What's the next step?
Next step is the cheese and the bacon. Put a few pieces down. You know, okay, so for this one, we're gonna do it a little bit different. I'm gonna cook it once, and then I'm gonna have you cook it. See how much you retain.
Retain? You want me to cook on the corner?
Yeah.
Blasphemy, blasphemies, blasphemies, blasphemies. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it for the views. I'll do it for the vine. For the vine.
All right, cheese, bacon, cheese, bread. What is going on?
My crown. I lost my crown. The priest is nothing without his crown. I am but a leaf in the wind. I is he?
Cheese, bacon, cheese, bread.
I will crusade against you all.
Cool. We cook this low and slow until it's nice and golden brown on both sides. So we're just gonna take our time with it, you know. What?
Yeah.
Let all that melt together. It'll be real nice. Throw some Italian seasoning on it while the butter's melting so it doesn't flake off or anything like that. And give her an old flip.
This pan is fucking disgusting.
Well, you gotta cook it in the bacon fat. If you don't cook it in the bacon fat,
Your mom's a hoe.
this is gonna take a little bit of time to crisp up. Oh boy.
Did you say it? Shit. Guys, he said time. Do you know what fucking time it's for? Guys, fucking shit. What's It's time. It's time. It's the THYME
Oh my
kind
God.
of time.
No.
So, why do you like black metal so much? I mean, you have the corpse paint, you're cooking the food. Why black metal? What makes it so important to you in this time and day and age that we fucking live in? Yeah?
Answer the question!
Really brings out the flavor in these grilled cheeses. That's one thing.
Anything else? Tell me.
That's pretty much it. Now that it's done, we're gonna put this over here. I'm gonna grab the cutting board.
You're really fucking bad at cooking.
The last step is
Quick
take.
question.
Oh boy.
Is it important to hunt for the labia meat or can it be farm raised?
I would just buy it at a store.
Oh.
It's actually pork. It's ham. All right, that's how that goes. You add a little bit of salmon on top and some fresh basil, and you're good to go. This is how we make grilled cheese. Now you give it a try.
Oh, yeah, I'm ready. I'm fucking ready. I think I did it pretty good.
How?
Yeah, look at that shit. Fucking Gordon Ramsay up in this bitch.
God damn, we're gonna have a million fucking takes.
This is gonna be the hardest thing ever done.
Oh my
ever. Holy shit, Jesus. I just need him to deep throat this once. So, what is it that you like about the black metal?
Yeah, I like that though. It's like out of fucking left field. And like look and smile like a fucking retard into the camera.
It's almost out, it's almost out.
I spy with my little eye an asshole that smells of pastel.
God damn it.
Fuck. Man, this is hard.
Maybe you should just do it to yourself.
It's funnier if you do it.
I know.
But it's just like, it's hard to keep a fucking straight face.
They're tracking the vaccinated.